I'm Bill Thompson of William Thompson Associates. All companies come under the purview of human resource laws. They need to be aware of them, make sure they comply with them. Otherwise, it could be serious financial or time problems. There are 30 federal human resource laws that pertain to most companies. If they have 15 employees, for example, they have to do Americans with Disability Act and so forth. So companies that have less don't have to comply with that particularly. But you need to be aware of these laws to ensure that you are conducting things properly in your company. Many years ago, there were only very few. Fair Labor Standards Act, paying overtime, and so forth. And now, again, there are 30 federal and typically 20 or so in each state in addition to those. Now, what do you do when you have to be responsible for complying with those laws? Number one, a lot of it's a golden rule, treating people properly, and don't discriminate. But there are a lot of little things. When you're interviewing people, don't ask their marital status, whether they're divorced or not. That has nothing to do with the performance of the job. Obviously, you know, you don't get into age and Spanish surname and all those different things. They're protected classes of people, so you need to be aware of those things. On the other hand, over the years, people have become so much aware with cable television, with the newspapers, etc., and all the media, bringing to light the Walmart lawsuit, for example, that came out from females who had a class action suit, went all the way to the Supreme Court. So now supervisors are sometimes going in the other direction, and they should be doing things to help their companies to be profitable and successful. And for example, when they shy away from terminating from somebody because they feel they have to have performance appraisal or they have to have more probation notice and so forth, it's not true. You can terminate anybody at any time, as long as you don't have a contract and as long as you don't discriminate. But you don't have to get them on probation and so forth. So there has been a gun-shy effect in terms of handling people, and as a result, it's slowed down productivity and performance. And some people that shouldn't be working in the company because they're violating the standards and the policies and so forth are still there, when in fact you really should ask them to leave. And you won't be involved in any legal problems as long as you don't discriminate, such as firing everybody over 40, firing just females and hiring males, that sort of thing. Obviously, you should not do that.